हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल अल्टीमेट डिजाइन। आज हम लेके आए हैं एक नई वीडियो ऑटोमेशन टेक्नोलॉजी इन होम्स के ऊपर। Watch the video till the end to get complete knowledge about the automation of home with the purchasing details too। आगे बढ़ने से पहले प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकॉन टू गेट नोटिफाइड ईच एंड एवरी टाइम वी अपलोड अ वीडियो। FindInteriorDesign.com presents automation in homes. Now you can operate your curtains, fans, AC, lights from anywhere in the world using your mobile. Every member of your family can operate them through their own phones. Let's go to our website, FindInteriorDesign.com to find out how you can get the products. Scroll down to find the perfect materials for your home. Here you can see a bunch of options appearing in front of you. You can choose any of them according to your needs. Let's go to the interior material and services option. You can see we specified each and every home materials so that it becomes easier for you to search and saves your precious time too. Let's go to the furniture option. Here you get 4 different choices. You can choose accordingly. Let's click on the first option. Here, you have to fill a form to get all the details about the products you want to purchase. After submitting the form successfully, you'll get all the purchasing and contact details about the best manufacturers. Hope you got a clear idea about our website. Let's get back to the video. Wake up with natural light by setting timers as per your need. Turn indoor or outdoor lights on or off automatically through your phone. Set schedules to maintain lighting in your home or office. Control the lightings from any remote location. You can also play with the lighting systems depending on your mood. Super energy saving ceiling fan starts smoothly without any jerk with the touch of your finger. easy speed control system using the smartphone. Completely tested in extreme conditions to provide highest service value. Turn your air conditioner into a smart one by connecting your phone with it. Now you can use your phone as a remote to control your air conditioner. It can automatically turn off and on when you leave for work and come home. Control your air conditioner from anywhere, anytime. You can also use your voice commands to control all of these.
Alexa, lights off.
Okay.
Alexa, lights on.
Okay.
Alexa, open curtain.
Okay.
Alexa, close curtain.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on AC.
Okay.
Alexa, set AC to 21.
Is set to 21.
Alexa, goodbye.
Okay.
Visit our website, findinteriordesign.com, and go to the interior material and services option. Here you can see, we have the home automation option listed. Click on it, and a new interface will appear in front of you. Here you'll get 4 different choices. You can choose any of them as per your need. Let's find together the place you deserve. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to hit the like and comment down your opinions about the video, and if you have any queries, feel free to contact us on this number. Thank you.